Hi! Welcome back to MJR Ai. Today, we will demonstrate how to set up and use a water flow sensor with Arduino. This demo is a great starting point for anyone planning to build smart water control and monitoring devices. First, log in to mjrrobotics.com and inside your dashboard, click the Create New Project button. On the left side panel, search for the water flow sensor by typing flow and press enter. Then drag and drop the water flow sensor onto the canvas. We'll also add a buzzer for some beeping effects. Type buzzer in the search bar, then drag it onto the canvas as well. Next, search for the LCD screen. Drag it onto the canvas, and finally do the same for the Arduino Nano board. Now, let's connect the components. Connect the signal pin of the water flow sensor to digital pin 2 of the Arduino Nano. Do take note, water flow sensor like this works best on interrupt pins of Arduino. In this case, digital 2 or digital 3 pins only. Connect the signal pin of the buzzer to digital pin 13 of the Arduino Nano. For the LCD screen, connect SDA to analog pin 4 and SCL to analog pin 5 of the Arduino Nano board. Finally, complete the ground and power connections to their corresponding rails. Once done, check the connections panel to make sure there are no errors. If everything looks good, click Complete Hardware Setup. The idea we want to build is simple. The water flow sensor will measure the actual flow rate of water in the pipe. The measured values will be displayed on the LCD screen. Now, we'll tell MJR Ai what we want to build using the components we set up earlier. Type this idea. Hi MJR, make me a system that will measure the flow of the water as it passes through. Show me the values measured in liters per minute and the total volume of water dispensed. The buzzer will beep twice to indicate the system is ready. After typing your idea, click Continue to preview. Here, you can review your components and their pin configurations. If everything is correct, click Analyze your idea. MJR Ai will now check the hardware setup and analyze your idea. After a few moments, it will explain how the project will be executed. MJR Ai will also provide suggestions on the best way to generate the source code, either fast generation or think deeper. You can always decide which option works best for you. Review the response, select your preferred generation mode, and then click Generate Source Code. MJR Ai will generate the full solution for your project. After a few minutes, the source code will be ready for download. Click the Download button, open your Downloads folder, double-click the file, and Arduino IDE will pack it into a project folder. Click OK when prompted. Next, set your Arduino Nano board in the IDE, choose the correct port. Click Upload once done. You can now test your project. The LCD screen will show the water flow rate in liters per minute, as well as the total volume dispensed. The buzzer will beep twice to let you know the system is ready. If you want to make changes or improvements, just go back to MJR Ai and request modifications to the source code. Enjoy building with MJR Ai. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more project ideas. See you next time.